So I'm going to be making some faith-based decor using recyclable items. So come on with me, guys. So for the first project here, I'm going to be using that jar, as you can see, and we're going to be painting it in that apple barrel red. And here are some stickers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Let's see how this comes out, guys. Now, I don't have any can spray paint, which I do have to get, so we're going to go ahead and paint this on, which means that this is probably going to have to take a couple of coats. So let's go ahead and do that. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be listing those down below in the description box. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I will be in and out of the video to let you know what we're doing next. All right, so here we are. This is my second coat. I think this should be enough. All right, so here we are. I like that color red and I like the fact that it dries matte. So we're gonna move on over to these stickers and go ahead. I think I'm gonna use the Faith Can Move Mountains. So that's the sticker we're going to use. And we're also going to seal this in with Mod Podge. Right, so this is all set and look how beautiful that looks. Let's move on to the next step, which is the Mod Podge. Now you can decide to use the matte finish or the gloss finish. To me, it doesn't make a difference. I do lean more toward the matte. The reason we're using the Mod Podge is because it will seal that sticker onto the jar and then this way it doesn't peel off. Okay, now once this is all done, we have to move this on over to the side, and let's go to the next one. So here we have one of the bowls from the Dollar Tree in the party section. And then I have this gold leaf that I bought from the plus section. And this is not really easy to work with, but it does look beautiful when it's done. We have the stickers, and then we have another jar that we're using. So let's see, we're going to go ahead and glue that jar onto that bowl that I just showed you. But first, let's go ahead and cut out the portion of the sticker that I'm going to use. Now I'm placing the sticker right on the jar because we're going clear with this particular project. So here we are. We find the placement that we like. We place the sticker. Now, let me go ahead and glue this to the bowl. Okay, so I really do like the height that that bowl gives that jar. Now we're gonna go ahead and seal that sticker in with the Mod Podge. I'm just gonna do the whole jar, guys, and this is gonna come out amazing. Okay, so we have to leave this to go dry, so let's go get some florals. Now you can just do greenery, which is what I like to use, and then maybe put in a pick here or there to whatever the occasion is. I found some of these yellow roses, so I'm going to stick that in there, and look how beautiful this looks. I am loving it. Okay, so let's move on over to the reveal. So two totally different DIYs, both of them faith-based, and you can put them in any area of your home, whether you want to put them together or separate them in different rooms. Look how beautiful they came out. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.